Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity.
Learning Yoruba language, episode 1.
Ẹ kú ìkàlẹ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Ìṣọ̀kan orílẹ̀-èdè ṣeéṣe tí a bá lè parajọpọ̀ kọ́ èdè àpapọ̀ wa tàbí sọ èdè àpapọ̀ wa. Hello Nigerians, I am your Yoruba language for unity advocate. My name is Olusegun. Today we are going to learn greetings in Yoruba. Greetings in Yoruba. Ìkíni ní èdè Yoruba. Greetings in Yoruba. Ìkíni ní èdè Yoruba. Now let's look at how to greet at the different period of the day. Morning period, òwúrọ̀. Morning, òwúrọ̀. Now how do you say good morning? Ẹ káàárọ̀. Good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀. That is for an elderly person or group of people. Ẹ káàárọ̀. How do you greet your age mate or your friend or your colleague? Káàárọ̀. Good morning, káàárọ̀. And the response will be káàárọ̀. Káàárọ̀. That is morning. Then in the afternoon, which is ọ̀sán in Yoruba. Afternoon, which is ọ̀sán in Yoruba. How do you say good afternoon? Good afternoon, ẹ káàsán. Good afternoon, ẹ káàsán. Then your friend or your age mate, káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. That is good afternoon for elderly person or group of people. Ẹ káàsán. Your age mate, káàsán. And what is the response? Káàsán o or ẹ káàsán o. Then when the sun is set in the evening, evening is ìrọ̀lẹ́ in Yoruba. Evening, ìrọ̀lẹ́. How do you say good evening? Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. In good evening, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Then your age mate, kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. And what will be the response? Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ o or kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ o. Now, in the evening, that is late evening, you want to say good evening. That is ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. Alẹ́ means night. Ẹ káalẹ́. That is good evening. That is late evening. Ẹ káalẹ́. Then how do you tell your friend goodbye? Ó dàbọ̀. Goodbye. Ó dàbọ̀. Goodbye. Ó dàbọ̀. Then you want to tell your friend till tomorrow you are about leaving his house. You want to tell him good night. That is ó dàárọ̀. That is rí and bí. Ó dàbọ̀. Goodbye. Ó dàárọ̀. Good night. Now, you greet somebody well done. How do you say well done in Yoruba? Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Well done. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. You want to greet your age mate. Kú iṣẹ́. Kú iṣẹ́. For example, you meet a farmer working in the farm. You want to greet him, well done, farmer. Say, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ bàbá. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ bàbá àgbẹ̀. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. That is well done. Then you want to greet your friend, well done. Kú iṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Kú iṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi. That is well done, my friend. Then how do you appreciate somebody? Ẹ ṣé or ẹ ṣeun or adúpẹ́. That is thank you. Now, for example, you want to say thank you, my friend. O ṣeun ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Then you want to appreciate group of people probably who came to wish you happy birthday. Ẹ ṣeun o. That is ẹ ṣeun o. More than one person. Ẹ ṣeun or adúpẹ́. One person who is younger than you or your age mate. O ṣeun or o ṣé. That is the way to appreciate somebody. Now, let's move to a traveler. How do you greet a traveler? Safe journey. Safe journey. That means a ó sọ̀ láyọ̀. Safe journey. A ó sọ̀ láyọ̀. And what will be the response of that person? O ṣé o. The person will thank you. O ṣé o. Then when the person is coming back from journey, that is ẹ kú ìrìn àjò. Báwo ni ìrìn àjò? That means welcome back. How was the journey? Ẹ kú ìrìn àjò. Báwo ni ìrìn àjò? That is the way to greet somebody who has just embarked from a journey. Ẹ kú ìrìn àjò. Now, you are now in the hospital. You want to greet somebody that is in pain. You say ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. That is more than one person. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Then one person, pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o or ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o or ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o or pẹ̀lẹ́ o. How do you say I am sorry? That is má bínú. I am sorry. Má bínú. I am sorry, má bínú. Those are the ways we greet in Yoruba. In the next episode, we shall learn how to greet a farmer, an hunter, hairdresser, and other professionals. See you next episode.